So to those who are Bible readers, no, this could be a reminder. No? And to those who did not read the Bible, it's from D.L. Moody, an evangelist of 19th century. It says, the Bible will keep you from what? Sin or what? Sin will keep you from the Bible. We know that the Bible is the Word of God. We know that even the lyrics of the song of Brother Shadrach Sunbrio, it tells us that we need to listen unto the Word of the Lord. It is really important to know that God will lead us in His own path. So to those who are Bible reader, it is a reminder from the Bible also, the grass withers and the flower fades, but the word of our God stands forever.